Arms and ammunition were seized in Manipur's Kangpokpi district, police said on Tuesday. The seizures were made during an area domination exercise in Aigijang in the Hill district, they said. One each of .303 rifle, 9mm CMG with magazine, 9mm pistol, SBBL, along with two 51mm mortars, 2 hand grenades, 5 live ammunition and 2 smoke grenades were seized, they added. Search operations and area domination were conducted by security forces in the fringe and vulnerable areas of Hill and Valley districts. Movement of 194 and 205 numbers of vehicles carrying essential items along National Highway 37 and National Highway 2 respectively has been ensured. Strict security measures are taken up in all vulnerable locations, and a security convoy is provided in sensitive stretches in order to ensure free and safe movement of the vehicles. A total of 109 nakas or checkpoints were installed in different districts of Manipur, both in the hill and the valley, and no one was detained by the police in connection with violations in different districts of the state.